Your voice is not just sound, it's frequency in motion. So every time you speak, you broadcast where you're operating from. Fear or alignment, survival or truth, performance or presence. Your words carry the level you live at. Now, most people talk too much and they say very little. Not because they have nothing to say, but because they don't trust their inner signal. So they fill space, they explain, they justify, they soften, they manage reactions before they even happen. That's not communication, that is self-protection. Now, the throat center doesn't open through confidence, it opens through integrity. When what you feel, what you think, and what you say don't match, the throat tightens. When they do match, the throat becomes calm, clear, and grounded, even when the message is uncomfortable. That is why speaking your truth doesn't work if disconnected from the body and the heart. You end up reactive, defensive, or overexposed. The truth without grounding feels sharp. Truth without heart feels cold, and truth without the body feels unsafe. Now, aligned speech comes after regulation, emotional honesty, identity clarity, and heart coherence. You've already done the groundwork in the past 4 episodes. Now, the question becomes, can you speak without leaking energy? Here's what misaligned throat energy might look like. It could be over-explaining, nervous laughter, talking faster when you're uncomfortable, adding just sorry or I might be wrong before your truth, saying yes when your body already said no. Each one is a micro abandonment. Now, energetically, the throat sits between the heart and the head. It translates inner truth into external reality. If it's blocked, your life stays stuck in thought. If it's clear, your life starts moving. So here's the practice, simple, direct, for some uncomfortable. Before you speak, pause. Feel your feet, feel your chest, then ask yourself, is this true for me right now? Not is it polite, not will it land well, not will they like me. True. For you and now. If the answer is no, don't speak. Silence is not weakness. Silence is integration. If the answer is yes, speak it cleanly. No cushioning, no justification, no explanations. Short, clear, grounded. I'm not available. I don't agree. I need time. That doesn't work for me. This matters to me. Now let the body stay relaxed while you speak. Let the breath stay calm. Let the heart stay open. This is how the throat recalibrates. And here's the deeper truth most people miss. When you stop over-explaining, your nervous system learns that truth doesn't equal danger. That rewires your field. You start to feel safer being visible. Your intuition sharpens because you're no longer editing yourself. Your energy becomes trustworthy to you and to others. So this is how voice becomes embodiment. You don't need to say everything. You just need to say what is aligned. Now, in the next episode, we are moving into intuition, not the fantasy intuition, not signs and symbols, but grounded, body-based inner guidance so you can actually trust. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to not miss out on any more of the episodes. I'll catch you on the next one.